on the ropes above our commentary position. Bobbing and weaving, trying to hold off, but he's taking a right uppercut, and the towel has come in. Dino Billinghurst in the corner. The corner of the Australian.
Welcome back sa ating channel mga kaibigan, and good news, panalo po si Wiljan Mendoros sa Dubai mga kaibigan by a 4th round technical knockout mga kaibigan, and napakalinis po ng kanyang records na ngayon. 14 wins, lahat by a knockout mga kaibigan. Knockout po ang kanyang kalaban na si Carmili in the very 4th round ng kanilang laban. Binilangan ito mga kaibigan ng 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban, and in the 4th round, dahil hindi na gumaganti ng suntok mga kaibigan, tinigil ng referee ang kanilang laban. Congratulations Wiljan Mendoros, diba? Bagong champion mga kaibigan sa IBA, yan, middleweight mga kapatid. So good luck, at sana mapanood natin siya sa mga susunod niyang laban sa iba pang sanctioning bodies mga kaibigan. So thank you so much for watching, and panoorin natin ang highlight ng kanilang video.
To take the second count of the round. There's still a minute and a half to go in round number 4, and against the finisher Mike Mindoro, that could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, bobbing and weaving, trying to hold off, but he's taking a right uppercut, and the towel has come in. Dino Billinghurst in the corner. The corner of the Australian.
Bye bye.